Hi there everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Happy Friday. Thank you so much for joining me. Hi. We need to have a conversation, you guys. So if you're new here, new to my channel, hello, my name is Misty. I make cards. I've been making cards on YouTube now for over 12 years. And Wednesday, September the 2nd, right? Nope, Wednesday, September the 3rd was supposed to be the start of my 2025 holiday card series, year 11. And as many of you know, I had a C2 to T2 fusion in May of on May 23rd. So I am just about, what is that? We're 3 months post-op, probably what, week 13-ish, week 14. And to be quite honest, you guys, I still haven't made a single project. I still haven't made a single project, period. And I have been dealing with a lot of anxiety and depression. And I was recently diagnosed as menopausal. So I'm in menopause, post-menopause, whatever they call it. And I've recently started hormone replacement therapy. And I feel like that's kind of thrown my everything for a loop. And honestly, I've been avoiding this room like it has the plague. Anytime I've stepped into this room, I've just felt like I was going to have a panic attack. And I am struggling with the thought of disappointing you guys because so many of you follow this holiday card series. If you don't watch any other cards I make during the year or any other videos I do during the year, this holiday card series is the one that you normally follow. And I hate that I'm not able to start it yet. I'm not giving up on doing this holiday card series. I just think I was being a bit unrealistic when I said we would start the 1st of September, being 3 months post-op of a very major surgery. If you've never seen my scar, I'm going to turn around. Editing Misty here. I forgot I have on a lidocaine patch. That lidocaine patch is about to fall off my shirt. So I completely forgot about that. And that background noise you hear is actually the lawnmower. I didn't realize it was so loud, but it is. So I apologize for that. So you can see it, hopefully. But you can see it starts up here and it goes down into my shirt. It was a very major surgery. I've lost a lot of my mobility, moving my neck sideways. Like this is my range of motion. So we're not dealing with very much. And it's been really hard. It's been a very hard adjustment. It's been trying, and if you know me, you know I don't have much patience. And I've dealt with so much trauma from this surgery. If you want to know more, I have a At Home with Misty channel that goes more in depth into everything I've been dealing with from the surgery since then. And I have not given my body enough time to heal. I've been pushing forward and trying to get the train back on the tracks. Like all of the analogies or cliches that you want to use, it's something. Oh, I moved my neck wrong. Hold on, please. It's something that I've been trying to do, but at the end of the day, I mean, it can take up to a year and a half to heal from this surgery. So to be only 3 months out and expect my body to be able to do so much was really kind of reckless of me, to be quite honest. On top of that, I just literally lost my train of thought. On top of that, it hasn't taken care of the problems I was having pre-surgery, which was weakness, etc. So I am trying to be as patient with myself as I can be. I still don't have any sensation in my left shoulder muscles. So the doctor basically said, give it 6 to 8 months. If you don't have it back in 8 months, you're probably not going to get it back. So there's still a lot of ramifications and just healing happening. But as I mentioned, I don't want to give up on the holiday card series. So it's coming. I just don't know when. Now, if you are in the mood for more cards, etc., Erin Reed Makes here on YouTube. She's doing her own summit. So if you're someone who attended the Card Maker Success Summit in the spring and the recent holiday one, and if you want something similar, I'm going to have a link down below to her event. It is not free. There are 2 different tickets. I haven't attended, so I can't speak to exactly what you're going to get. She just reached out and asked if I would be willing to be an affiliate, and I said sure. So I'm going to have all of the information for that event listed down below. The holiday card series is coming at some point. I would like to say it's going to start in the next couple of weeks, but we may actually have to start in October. Along that same vein, I am going to have a D-stash. So, I'm not gonna cry. If you missed my last video, I talked about how my cat Roxy needs surgery. And I went to the dentist on Tuesday at 47 years old. I had my first 2 cavities. Like, I've never had a cavity before in my life. And it seems like a couple of medications that I'm on, plus not being able to keep up with my toothbrushing after having surgery. I mean, I couldn't set up for 3 weeks. I ended up with 2 cavities. And when I asked the doctor, because I just had a cleaning 6 months ago, he said, "Are you on any medication that causes dry mouth?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I'm on Silver." And he was like, "This is what has caused the cavities." So not only did I have 2 cavities, but I also have a gum infection and I guess the beginnings of gum disease. I'm not sure. So they want me to have this dental work done. That's probably going to cost $800 to $900, maybe even closer to $1,000. So I am going to be doing a D-stash. And I used to do these more when I was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, because in order to buy new stuff, I had to sell old stuff. So I would do this a few more times during the year. I think it's been over a year since I had one. So I've gone through all of my dies. I'm going through all of my stamp sets, through my paper. I may be selling some like paint pens. I may be selling some of my distressed oxides. I may be selling, that's my goal for the next couple of days, is to go through my craft room and get a D-stash together. And that video will be coming soon. So, yeah, with the tariffs and stuff and the cost of shipping, I'm going to have to limit it to the US. Now I know, I don't want to talk about it. $35 tariffs the other day. And I was just like, are you kidding me right now? From Canada. So yeah. Anywho, that's neither here nor there. So unfortunately, we're not starting the holiday card series yet. But I am going to do a D-stash and hopefully getting my craft room reorganized, getting like in a better headspace will help me feel more creative. So yeah, so I have a couple of I bought that house gift box die. If you missed my haul, I have a couple of people that I owe very special thank yous to, and I had an idea with that, and I'm really hoping that I can get to that at some point. But as of today, as of September the 5th, I'm just not there yet. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. So, but at the end of the day, I'm working with my therapist and I'm trying to learn to give myself grace. I'm also trying to learn not to just steamroll my body's boundaries like I did before surgery. I mean, even if I was super tired, if I felt like there was something that I had to get done, I would just do it. And I would push my body past its limits. And I literally physically can't do that anymore because my mobility is so limited. So I'm doing my best to listen to my body, but I haven't forgotten you and I want to come back. I really, really do. I miss it. But at the same time, like it's been giving me anxiety. And I feel like my brain is trying to get me to slow down or take a breath or something like that. I also have to decide what I'm going to do with all my Hello Bluebird stamps because they're out of business. And I have to decide if I'm going to keep them or... I'm back. Okay, so Hello Bluebird is not out of business. We were supposed to hear something soon. Who knows what's happening? MFT went out of business. And so, but anyway, yeah, so I misspoke. Hello Bluebird is, as far as I know, is not out of business. But we haven't gotten anything new from them in a hot minute. Let them go. So yeah, I have a lot of decisions to make, and hopefully I can get that done in the next couple of days and get that filmed and ready to go for you guys. So keep an eye out for it. It's coming. Maybe by the end of the weekend. Probably not, because how I do my D-stash is I pull everything out, then I give everything a number, and then I create a spreadsheet, and then I film a video. It's done through video, etc. You guys will see that, like I said. So yeah, that'll be coming. Keep an eye out for that. So yeah, so having some new health issues and trying to raise money for myself and my cat. So that's what we're going to do. That's how we're going to do it. Anywho, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Thank you to everyone who sent cards and emails and reached out on, Facebook. I really do appreciate you. If you want to send a card or a postcard, I do have a mailbox listed in the description box down below. You can get my address and send me something. And if you do, I really appreciate it. And if you don't want to, that's fine too. It's just there for some of those of you who wanted to send cards, etc. while I was healing. So yeah, so anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I hope you'll consider subscribing. I will keep you posted here, and I will keep you posted via my newsletter on when the holidays card series will start. Again, be sure to check out Erin's Summit. I will have that link listed down below along with a bit more information. And yeah, if you attend, let me know. I would love to hear. I may end up buying my own ticket. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. But yeah, so anyway, you guys are the best. And I love you so very much. So I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.